Hey guys, welcome to my coding studio. Once again, today I'm going to be working on box model. What is box model? To my understanding, box model comprises of the margin. It comprises of the margin. It comprises of border and padding. So this is what I'll be working with in today's session, where I do the tasks given with these exercises. So let's get into it here. Okay, so I've been asked to create 3 boxes using the div elements, and I'll just go ahead. Sorry that there was a div before now. I was about to record it. I had no idea that the device wasn't on, so this is for the div. Yeah. I have already created my 3 boxes, so let me preview it. There's something I want to say. Right now we can see that there is no box showing here, right? There is no box showing here. We are going to see how it's going to turn out. Mind you, this is the goal for me to achieve, but from my preview you can see that there's no box showing here. I'm going to put you through on how we can achieve this using the box model, and on this session I'm also learning how it works. There will be mistakes, and join me while I'm also learning from my mistakes too. Yeah, it says set the sizes to 200 pixels high and 200 pixels wide. So I'm going to style it, yeah, with my div 200 pixels. Ugh, sorry. Height 200 pixels. My width is going to be 200 pixels. Okay. Still you won't see anything reflecting here, but let's just go ahead with the text. It says here set different background colors for each of the boxes. I use cat blue, gold and Indian red, so I can't just start styling it with different colors. What I'm going to do here is, remember we learned about the class and ID, but in this section I'm going to be making use of classes to style this background colors for each of the div. So I'm going to use the class, and to specify it so that it doesn't get mixed up, I'm going to make use of cat blue, which is the first background color. The next div I'm going to put in class and put in gold. The next div I'm going to make use of another class with the word Indian red. I haven't heard of that color, but let's see how it goes. So we come over to my style, which is the CSS, how we are going to give these colors their colors, their with the attribute given to that. So cat blue, cadet blue, its color is cadet blue. So you see how it's going to be easy. Let's go to the next one. Gold color. Sorry, this is supposed to be background color. Gold, sorry, background color. Yeah. The next one is going to be Indian red color. Background color is going to be Indian red. Now let's see the outcome, and this is also the goal, but we are on the journey to getting it to this point here. Okay, let's see the next task given. It says add a paragraph element into the first div and add the following words. So let's just copy the words so it doesn't make it stress when I need to do that. Copy, and I come here, set my paragraph and put in my word. Let's see the action. We have it here already. We can see that it's well done, and it tallies with the goal, but we are yet to achieve the rest of the goal. Okay, the next goal is to set the first div to 20 pixels, adding padding all around with a black. To have 20 pixel padding all around with a black 10 pixel border. Okay, that's on the first div. Let's go to my first div, which is coded blue. Padding is 20 pixels. Border is 10 pixels. Black solid. Let's see. Solid is for styling, by the way. If I don't use solid, let me show you just something about solid. You can see that there's nothing appearing. The main color for it to appear on the border is not showing, and we need it to be this way. So let's go back to the style. In CSS, styling is important in making the work look attractive. So we are going to use solid. Let's see. So you see, we have achieved the main goal for the first div, which is this, and we are onto this to achieve this. Now let's go into it. So the next one, it says